Hey YouTube, today we're going to be installing the Steely flywheel weights on my 2022 SEX 125. We went with the 8-ounce weight because it's about the median of the weights. So they range from 7-ounce to 10-ounce, and depending on how heavy you get it, you'll have more or less centrifugal force. Is that good?
Yeah.
Alright, step one is to remove the bolts. And then remove the cover. Alright, next we have to take this nut off. So you're going to take your impact, you're going to have someone hold the actual flywheel weight, and then you're going to just let it rip. Just like that. Alright, now that you have that off, there's going to be a washer in here. And you're going to want to take that out with a pick. There you go. Do not, there's like a little bit of metal in there. You wanna take a look?
Yeah.
Alright, now with your flywheel weight, you're gonna wanna put some anti-seize on the threads. Alright, now you're gonna install it onto the bike. Reverse thread, so lefty tighty, righty loosey. Whew. Make sure you run it in a few times, make sure it's stopping all the way. Tighten it up real good. Alright, now that we got the flywheel weight on, we're going to put the nut on there. You want a little bit of focus. I don't know if you can see that actually. You want a little bit of low adhese Loctite on there. You're gonna put it on hand tight. Like that. And then to torque it to spec, you're gonna want to put your torque wrench at 39 foot-pounds, and then you're gonna shift the bike up to its highest gear. That's it. And then you're gonna hold the brake and then torque it. Okay, so having it on the stand did not work. You had to actually take the bike off the stand so there's more resistance. And then we needed to use this this grip wrench here to actually get it to torque to spec. Already, calm down. Okay. Now that you got it torqued to spec, we're going to put the cover back on. Mine came with this this like rubber plastic gasket. So yeah, we're just gonna install it with that so it doesn't rub on the inside of this case here, cover. put them all in, set them on hand tight, and then we'll throw our speed ratchet on here and torque it by hand. Make sure you're doing it in an X pattern too. Otherwise, one will be tighter than the other and it won't fit flush. Alright, so once you got your flywheel weight installed, you have to check your how tight it is and make sure it's up to spec. After 3 hours of 30 minutes. Alright, after 30 minutes of operation, you need to check the torque on it, make sure it's up to spec, and then after that, you can check it after every 10 hours of operation, and you should be good to go. Yeah. It's Mason's cat. Yeah, the cat. Sweet. Get Broden back then. That first kid kind of scared me a little. Why? Because it like caught, but then it just went like free and it didn't grab it all. Like where'd you go? What? What'd you say? What were you gonna say? Huh? One degree out.